So today we will learn how to make a rose flower using the number 701. गुलाब का चित्र आसानी से बनाएं 701 नंबर से। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको। सबसे पहले आपको लिखना है 701। मेक श्योर पहले आप यहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे 7 लिखें, फिर आपको 0 थोड़े से गैप के बाद ऐसे लिखना है और फिर then you have to make a inside circle, then you have to make a outside circle like this, then you have to make lines like this 1 2, then bigger lines like 1 2. I hope you got my point. Now you have to do is like you have to do like this and this from both the sides. Then you have to make a U from using extending the 7 like this, and then you have to join this one. So we have made this U, and after making this U, what you have to do is you have to also make this line like this. But you have drawn here, you have to exactly draw here like this. Then you have to complete it by drawing half circles. Then you can make these 2 straight lines over like this. And we are finally going towards making rose. Then after that you have to make this, draw this like this. From this also you have to make a small U. So we have made this here. Then what is left over is covering of a rose. So we have to cover this rose like this. Then you have to make some leaves, like we will make some leaves like this. Then we have to end with a small petal over here. The easy rose formation which you can draw easily with pen or pencil, and then after you can color it with red color. So I hope you like the 701 trick, which is very easy. If I can draw with pen, you can also draw with different colors. So thank you. If you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our BVK and Privilege family. Thank you.